In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your account number through the Truist app. Whether you've just started using the app or you've been a long-time user, it's essential to know exactly how to access important information like your account number whenever you need it. So let's walk through this process together. First, you'll want to launch the Truist Bank app on your mobile device. You can find this app on your home screen or among your list of installed applications. Make sure that your device has a stable internet connection before proceeding, as this will ensure that the app functions smoothly without interruptions. Once you've opened the Truist app, you'll be prompted to enter your user ID and password. This login information is crucial for maintaining the security of your account, so always double check that you're entering the correct details. If you've forgotten your login info, look for options within the app to recover them safely and securely. After entering your credentials, simply click the Sign In button. This action will take you directly to the home page of your Truist app. It's the central hub where you can access all your banking information and manage your accounts efficiently. Now that you're on the home page, direct your attention towards the upper right corner of your screen. You should see an option labeled View All. Clicking on this will expand the list to show all of your linked accounts, as well as any connected credit or debit cards. Once you've clicked View All, you'll get a comprehensive overview of your current accounts. From this overview, select the particular account for which you want to find the details. You might also find this feature helpful when managing multiple accounts, as it allows you to choose specifically which account details you need. After selecting your desired account, you should be able to see various details about it on the screen that appears. Among this information will be your account number. Take a moment to keep this number safe. Perhaps jot it down or note it securely in a way that suits your needs, and there you have it. You've successfully located your account number through the Truist app. Remember, handling sensitive information like your account number requires care and confidentiality to ensure your financial security remains uncompromised. By following these steps, you should be able to easily and quickly find your account number anytime you need it through the Truist app. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Truist's customer support for further assistance. Thank you for spending this time with me, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep learning and exploring safely with the tools at your disposal.